Hello everyone. In this particular video, we are going to learn a very important concept in Python, which is file handling. What is file handling and how is it very important to us? Now, as you become a pro in programming and you start building big applications or big websites, then you can just not write the complete code or the complete logic for that project into a single file. It may crash and many other things can happen, and it is not a professional way of programming. So what we do is we make different files which have a particular role to do, and whenever we need to use a particular feature, then we just import that file. It's very simple to using packages, as you might have used many packages. Let's say, for instance, if you want to use Panda or Matplotlib, then what we do is we just import Matplotlib or Pandas or whatever is the package that we want to use. So what are we doing when we import such things? Many people who have made Python programming languages have worked together and created these functions for us, these packages for us, which has a lot of pre-written code into it, and we are just using that into our project by just importing them. So similar way, what I'm going to do over here is I'll just create a function which has a simple work to add two numbers, and over here I'll just print num1 plus num2. This is a very simple function. It does only one thing, that is add two numbers. So what I'll do, I'll create one more Python file. I'll call it sample.py, and over here let's say I want to use this add function that is present in the functions.py file. So what I'll do is I'll just import functions by writing import functions and store it, and then I'll just say print. Okay, we do not need to write print because add function already has a print statement. So I'll say add 2 comma 5 and just store it. Now it gives an error over here, undefined variable add. Why? I'll say I need to write over here functions dot add. And now if I run it, then there would be no error. And let's say I'll just cross check it so that we know that everything is running fine. So we get the answer 7. As you can see, 2 plus 5 7. So this is what we call file handling in Python. You can create many big functions which do a particular task, and just make them an independent file, and then can use it whenever you want into your project. Now over here, both of these files belong to the same folder, so I can just write import functions. But if you have a file which is in a different folder, then you need to clarify the full path to where that file is present, and accordingly you can use it. So this was file handling. Hope you understood it. Thank you.